In this picture, we can see that there is some abnormality in the common bile duct. The common bile duct appears dilated. So the diagnosis for it is the choledochal cyst. So basically the choledochal cyst means the dilatation of either intrahepatic bile ducts or hepatic ducts or the extrahepatic bile ducts. Any dilatation of these ducts will leads to development of the choledochal cyst. For choledochal cyst, there is one classification which is known as the Todani classification. So according to this classification, the choledochal cysts are of 5 types. The type first is most common among all. The type first most common, and according to the type 1, there is the cystic dilatation of extrahepatic bile ducts. Type 2 second, there is the diverticular or the pouch like development from the main ducts. So keyword is the pouch like or some diverticulum from the common bile duct. Type 3 is known as the choledococele, and in this choledococele, this bile duct is dilated in the duodenum. So the part of bile duct in the duodenum is dilated, means its opening is dilated, that is termed as the choledococele. Type 4 is both intra plus extra hepatic bile ducts are dilated. And the type 5th is only intrahepatic bile ducts are dilated. So that is also termed as the Caroli's disease. So the Caroli's disease is type 5th according to the Todani classification, while the type 1 is most common. So now we will just discuss in short about the Caroli's disease. So in this Caroli's disease, the intrahepatic bile ducts are dilated and the adjacent portal radicle will appear as a hyperechoic dot. So basically on the ultrasound it appears a hypoechoic zone with an hyperechoic dot in the central part. So that is the Caroli's disease. So this central dot sign is diagnostic of the Caroli's disease. This choledochal cyst can be diagnosed on the USG, on the MRCP, or on the CT scan. So these are the key features for these choledochal cyst, and in further they can lead to further complications if it is not get treated. Like it can develop into the CA also, or it can lead to the delayed excretion of the bile, or the sludge can also develop because of its association.